everyone, my name is Kanchan. Today me and my team are going to present an act on the topic of unity in the hockey match.
My name is Mahi. My name is Ashwika.
We all are playing the role of team players.
My name is Divyansh Kumar. I am playing the role of opponent.
So let's start. Scene 1, when the practice match is going on.
Hey, pass me the ball.
Take Ashwika, we only need 1 point. Oh no, he did the goal.
Yeah.
Yeah, I won the match.
Scene 2, when the players are fighting. We were only 1 point away from the winning
It's
the match.
okay, but it's only a practice match. We won the final match.
Yes.
Hey, what did you do? Because of you, we lost the match.
But how can you say?
There were many players around her, but there were no players around me.
But we only needed 1 point to win, and I thought that she could do the goal. But it's fine. It's just a practice match.
But I waved you my hand, then also you didn't see.
I couldn't see you.
Okay.
Don't fight with each other. I am calling the coach.
Hey, what are you doing? We lost the match because of you also.
No, because of you, we lost the match.
I am the better player.
Why are you fighting so much?
Now I am playing the role of coach.
Coach, they both are fighting because we lost today's match.
Hey, what happened?
Sir, because of them, we lost the match.
But why?
Sir, I waved him hand, then also he didn't see me.
But she was close to the goal, and you also don't know to play it properly. That's why I passed her.
You both also stop fighting. Just focus on the teamwork. We have to do the teamwork with each other. Today you are doing these things. What will happen in the tomorrow's match? Tomorrow we having the final match. We will lose the trophy.
I think you're correct.
Okay, sir.
Now I will see you in the tomorrow's match.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.